Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today we're going to do another Halloween look, and today's Halloween look I'm really excited about because I wanted to do this type of look for a while now, and I'm just now finally getting around to it. We are going to do a pop art or comic book art type of makeup look today. We're gonna go ahead and jump right in, and what I'm going to do is get some foundation on and do a simple eyeshadow look. So we're going to go ahead and get all of that done, and then we'll start going into the detail of this pop art or comic book art type of makeup. So now we got the eye makeup a little bit the way we want it, and now I'm going to go in with a eyeliner, like a liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to do some heavy lines around my eyes. So first we're going to line the top line. We're going to do it a little bit thicker than we would normally do it, but I'm just going to go from one end to the other, and then I am going to come out a little bit on this end and come down a little bit in the inner corner. Now that we got the top going, we're going to go along the bottom row, and then we're going to come out a little bit in the inner corner, and then we're going to do like a few little kind of like lashes along the bottom here. I'm also going to bring the inner corner line down a little bit more, but I just kind of want to get the outline of it done first before I start flicking out lines everywhere. So what I did here was I took a gel pencil and I lined my waterline. I don't recommend lining waterlines with a liquid pencil because it'll make a big old mess. So always use like a gel pencil or an eyeliner pencil to line those waterlines. Okay, when doing something like this where you have different lines and you're making them thick and you're working with like liquid liners and stuff like that, do things in steps and go slow. Don't try to map it all out and get it all done really quick, because that's when things can go differently than what you had planned. We got the lower line on, and now I'm just going to kind of do some little flickers that kind of look like lashes. So I got the eyes kind of the way I want them to be. I am being, I think, a little more subtle than I probably should be being. You can make this a little more dramatic. It all depends on what kind of look that you want to go with. So I am happy with the way that this looks so far, and we're going to move on to the brows. And I'm just going to use a dark, like a black, pretty much a black gel liner type of pencil for my brows, because we do want the lines to be dark and bold. So we're going to go ahead and move on to that. Oh, I am going to put lashes on real fast, and you want kind of bold lashes. So I'm going to do some lashes and then we'll work on the brows. Okay, our lashes are on. We're going to go start working on those eyebrows. Okay, so we got that done. Now I'm going to take a red pencil and we're going to just do some dots on our face. Now we are going to add a couple lines. So we're going to start with a line right here, a line going down our nose, and then we're going to wrap it around our nostril here. And then we're just going to do a line down where our Cupid's bow is. Now we're going to draw a line kind of around the border of our face. Now I'm going to fill in my lips with red. I'm going to outline my lips then with the black pencil. Draw like just a couple little lines going down our neck just to define the neck a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to do one more thing. So it always seems like these little pop characters are crying, and I don't know why. It's kind of weird, but we're going to do a couple little teardrops on this other eye here. I'm just going to take a blue gel liner and draw a couple little circles like I'm crying. Now we're going to outline those little teardrops with the black. Here is the final look, and I think it turned out really cool. I really do think that you could create a really fun Halloween costume around this, and it really is not a difficult makeup look to achieve. I really think you can do a lot with this type of look, and I'm really excited that it turned out as well as it did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as a notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.